Hello everyone, welcome to the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, we will create the Ajax call to render the data within this tutorial list. So for that, we will go here, and as the reference, we will use an Ajax call from here. Okay, so here is the Ajax call, which will send the get request and retrieve the data. Let's copy this, come in the index part, and here we will use that request. Okay, so now what we will do, we will send the record to a particular controller, and now create a action here, get record. There is no parameter. This and filter will be get passed here, and it will send three TID, table, title and content. So we don't have to use this. For the reference, we can go for here, and you can see here we are getting the record. So we will copy this and paste that here. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to create a list of models, kind of tutorial post, then replace these store procedure and filter ID with filter, and filter is this. Now it will retrieve the record. Here is the tutorial post. We will create the object, and here is the TID. Okay, right now we don't have that. Description, okay, so it will send now, and we should need to add one thing more, TID, save it, use this TID to get the record from index 0, and title will get the record from this. Okay, to remove the conflict, we can use string type key. Okay, so now when we will call this get here, we will retrieve the results here as console.log the data is in form of object, so we will use json.stringify and pass object here. Now execute this. So the application is executed. Press F12, and here in console you can view that here is the sample record is retrieved. In the next video tutorial, we will render this retrieved data into this list. I hope this video tutorial is informative for you. If you have any kind of question regarding this, you can ask us, and don't forget to subscribe the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. Take care. Bye bye.